Hello students, today in this video lecture we shall learn the topic projection matrix of rank 1. The matrix of projection on the line through A is given by the formula P is equal to A into A transpose divided by A transpose A, where A transpose A is the inner product of A with vector A. Now, to find the projection matrix, we use this formula. Let us work out problems on matrix of projection. Question number 1 is find the matrix of projection on the line through A is equal to 1, 3, 2. So this is a given vector. Now here we find the projection matrix using the formula P is equal to A into A transpose divided by A transpose A. Since the given vector is A is equal to 1, 3, 2, we write it as column vector 1, 3, 2. Then A transpose will be row vector 1, 3, 2. So here we find A transpose A. We can find A transpose A by multiplying this. A transpose into A. That will be 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2. That is A transpose A is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 14. Now we substitute A transpose A in the formula. So we are getting P is equal to 1 by 14 into A transpose. That is A is column vector 1, 3, 2 and A transpose is row vector 1, 3, 2. Now when we multiply this, we are getting matrix of order 3. That will be P is equal to 1 by 14 into. Now in the first row, first entry is 1 into 1. That gives 1. Next 1 into 3, that is 3. 1 into 2, that is 2. Similarly, we write the second row entries, that is 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 2 is 6. Then last row entries, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4. So we are getting projection matrix as P is equal to 1 by 14 into matrix 1, 3, 2, 3, 9, 6, 2, 6, 4. So this is a projection matrix. Now let us work out one more problem, that is question number 2. Find the matrix of projection on the line through A is equal to 1, 1, 1. So we have the formula to find projection matrix. It is P is equal to A into A transpose divided by A transpose A. Here the given vector is A is equal to 1, 1, 1. That is we write A as column vector 1, 1, 1. Then A transpose will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Next we find A transpose A. So A transpose A is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. That is A transpose A is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives 3. Next we substitute A transpose A in the formula. That will be 1 by 3 into A transpose. That is A is column vector 1, 1, 1 and A transpose is row vector 1, 1, 1. When we multiply this, we are getting matrix of order 3. That will be 1 by 3 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. These are the first row entries. Similarly, we write the second row entries as 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Here also 1 into 1, 1. Similarly, we are getting last row entries as 1, 1, 1. Now we write projection matrix P as P is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Similarly, second row 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and last row 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. We will work out the third problem, that is find the matrix of projection on the line through 2, 2, 2. Here the given vector A is column vector 2, 2, 2. Then we write A transpose as row vector 2, 2, 2, 2. Then we have the formula to find projection matrix, that is A into A transpose divided by A transpose A. Now here first we will find A transpose A. So A transpose A is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. That will be A transpose A is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4. That gives A transpose A is equal to 12. Now we substitute A transpose A in the formula. That is P is equal to 1 by 12 into. Here we have A into A transpose. So it is 1 by 12 into A transpose, where A is column vector 2, 2, 2 and A transpose is row vector 2, 2, 2. Here also when we multiply this, we are getting matrix of order 3. That will be P is equal to 1 by 12 into, first row entries are 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. The entries are 4, 4, 4. Similarly, we write second row entries 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. That will be 4, 4, 4. And last row is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. That gives last row as 4, 4, 4. Now we are getting P is equal to 1 by 12 into 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So here we can observe 4 is common, or we write P is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Second row 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and last row is also 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So like this we find the projection matrix.